Alright, I apologize. It's a little dark today, guys, and I'm also filming myself too, so bear with me. But we're at a rental house today, and we've got a furnace that's not staying lit. I want to show you, there's a quick fix to this, and it's fairly simple. So check this out. Okay, so what we've got is the furnace upstairs is calling for heat. We've got the thermostat turned all the way up. I went ahead and shut off the switch. I'm going to turn that on. And I'm going to show you what it does. It starts to create a draft. The fan's kicking on. The igniter will start to glow here in just a minute. Okay, there's the igniter coming on. Now we're going to get the gas to light. There we go. So we got the gas lit. It stays lit for, I don't know, about 10 seconds or so, or it shuts off. So that usually means the flame rod is bad, and I'm going to show you a quick fix how to deal with that. First, we're going to shut this off so nothing kicks on us, and we're going to take it apart. So right back there is the flame rod that sticks down into the burn chamber. It's really hard to see, I'm sorry about that, but it's a little rod that sticks down there that tells the gas burner that the flame's still going. It doesn't want to blow gas out in your house. That would be unsafe. So it tells the burner that the flame's still going. So I'm going to pull that out and I'll show you what to do with it. All right, I pulled the flame rod out. It just attached into the floor of that area with a screw, so I pulled it out and I just left it attached like this. One thing you can do is buy a new flame rod and put a new one in, but I'll show you a trick that usually does the job. If you take a utility knife and just scrape this, it kind of freshens up the metal, and it would work fine again for a while. So if you end up fighting this over and over and it continues to become a problem, go ahead and replace it, but I'm betting this is going to do the job. We're just going to keep going all the way around until we get fresh metal all the way. Okay, now we're just going to attach it back in there. Screw that in tight. We'll be able to test and see how well we did. All right, there we go. All right. Let's see how we do. We got the fan running for the flue. There's the igniter glowing. There's our gas burner. Let's see if it'll stay on this time. There we go. That solves the problem. So now you know a quick fix for a common problem with gas furnaces.